we don't know what Buhari is hiding from everyone, because remember that Ibrahim Magu, that is the former chairman of the EFCC, has actually been probed some time ago, about 5 months ago precisely. And since then, it's been like he has not, the case has not returned. But somehow, remember that the case was also submitted to President Buhari and those involved, that the case should be looked into critically. But guess what? It's 5 months after, and that case is still yet to be heard again. I remember that some people were about to be roped into this very probe issue regarding Magu. Remember that Malami was almost roped in because Magu was about mentioning names of those involved. That was when that probe actually stopped, because a lot of people would go down with Magu. That was why that case did not continue. But anyway, guys, right here we'll tell you why President Buhari has not opened the case again, since the case has been submitted to him for for revisitation and hearing. But guess what? More of all of these details you will hear right here. But please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do so right away, and also give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can get updated anytime we drop a new video. All right, guys, without wasting more of your time, let us dive right into the details of this report, as it says that Ibrahim Magu's fate remains uncertain 5 months after the submission of the report of Justice Ayo Salami Judicial Panel of Inquiry on the former acting chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission to President Muhammadu Buhari. There have been concerns about the fate of Magu after the appointment and confirmation of Abdulrasheed Bawa as the new executive chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission in February. According to us, although sources in the Office of the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami San said the panel faulted some procedures in the management of recovered assets under Magu. The presidential white paper on the report had yet to be announced. One of Magu's lawyers, Tosin Ojaomo, said Magu remained in the service of the Nigerian police force, though the police has yet to post him anywhere after his suspension as EFCC chairman. Magu has not been cited in uniform or in any police command 5 months after his removal as EFCC boss. Two previous EFCC chief executives, Nuhu Ribadu from 2003 to 2007 and Ibrahim Lamode 2011 to 2015, seconded from the police, returned to the police service after being removed from the EFCC. One of the recommendations of the Salami panel, which sat from June to November 2020, is that officers from the law enforcement agencies should be considered in the appointment of the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, as provided under the EFCC Act 2004. The panel also recommended an exit plan for 970 policemen, comprising of 414 drivers, 641 mobile policemen, and 215 others, operations on secondment to the EFCC to address the issue of lack of promotion of core staff members of the agency for over 9 years. The report of the panel reads in part, "Your Excellency, our thinking here is that whoever you are appointing other than a core EFCC staff should be in transitional capacity of 2 years, during which period arrangement would be made for appointment of any of the core staff who has been commended by the National Crime Agency, NCA, United Kingdom, and other international law enforcement for their professionalism." The panel was said Magu appeared during its hearing alongside 113 witnesses, and that it received 46 petitions and memoranda against the former acting chairman and the commission from individuals and organizations. Findings at the EFCC reveal that although Magu's name is no longer on the payroll of the commission, he is still with the police. Born on May 5, 1962, Magu is due to retire from the police on the same date next year when he would have attained the age of 60. An official of the commission who spoke under condition of anonymity said he is one of the commissioners of police (CPs) in the Nigeria Police Force (NPF). He is yet to retire since he has not clocked 35 years in service or 60 years of age as spelled out in the condition of service. Though he has not been deployed for a new assignment by the Inspector General of Police (IGP) after his travails as acting EFCC chief. I'm sure his entitlement has been stopped for any reason. When asked for his whereabouts, the official said, I can confirm to you that he is still in the country, but staying largely at home. As of now, he can't travel out of the country, despite the fact that he has been removed. Finally, wow, there's more to this than meets the eyes. Then let the case get to court, let it be judged. But yet the case is still going from one place to another. They are just trying to turn people around. I love countries where people who steal money, those who embezzle the funds that are meant to run the affairs of the country, especially when it has to do with, a kind of economic and financial crimes commission, bodies like this, we don't expect anything of fraud or whatsoever, embezzlement and all of that. We don't expect such things from such bodies. But guess what? It has happened, and he would not be the first. I think perhaps he just stepped on the toes of someone that they've been working together, and that was how he was actually brought to book. But somehow they know that this is a very serious matter that will drag some of them in and will rope some of them at the end of the day, and some of them are trying to make sure that this case is not proved further and this case is not heard, so that others will not be roped in. But all the same, we understand how these things are being done right here, because a lot of people just want to get involved. They don't want to get involved with issues like this, because at the end of the day, Malami might not be spared, because that was what was about to happen. Because even Magu said if he begins to mention names, that the country will shake. And it was after then that case was actually brought down. And since then, it's been 5 months now, we've not heard anything about that very case. Anyway, guys, more details about as things comes up, we'll bring them to you. But please ensure you drop your comments and tell us what you think about all of this. Thank you guys for being here. We appreciate you. Do have a pleasant time. Bye for now.